Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Today we're inside the Patee House Museum in St. Joseph, Missouri. And for just $8, this place delivers one of the most impressive collections anywhere in the American Midwest. What began as a grand 19th century hotel is now packed wall to wall with preserved storefronts, transportation, telegraph history, and everyday artifacts that shape this region. It feels less like a single museum and more like stepping directly into the working life of another era. I will step aside now and let you explore it for yourself. Now enjoy another part of this 13-part miniseries. Oh, and did I mention that St. Joseph is one of the most haunted cities in the Midwest? Staff and visitors have reported hearing unexplained footsteps on upper floors. Some claim to have seen figures standing at the end of long corridors before vanishing. Doors are said to open slowly when no one is nearby. Can you spot any of these events happening?
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.